A big part of any river cruise is the food, both on land and on the water. On my Rhine River Cruise on the SS Antoinette, we passed from the Netherlands through Germany, France, and Switzerland, stopping in picturesque medieval villages, Alsace's famous wine region, and historic German cities, where a visit to the local brauhaus is a must. Sampling culinary delights from these different destinations along our route, I also get in on the action, behind the scenes, meeting with celebrated Chef Edward Blanco. This is my first German-inspired cooking class.
Actually given to you by a half Spanish, half English guy, so chef, so imagine...
We're global here at Uniworld, right? Absolutely. We aren't just eating what's local on excursions. Chefs make sure to also source locally and create dishes inspired by the land, its history, and traditions.
We're fortunate enough to already have sort of an established route of distribution. We negotiate yearly, monthly with the suppliers. They come with specials, regional ingredients that are sort of, in season, and they sort of call us up and they liaise with our product manager to sort of say, we've got this, we've got 500 kilos of this beautiful apple that's just come into season. Do you want it? We negotiate and we select it, and if it's good enough for us, then obviously it's good enough for our guests.
Chef Edward Blanco is teaching me to make a dish that's traditional to the Rhineland of Germany.
Sauerbraten with a braised red cabbage, potato dumpling, and an apple puree.
I like how you have the recipe here for me so that I can try to help you. So this would be a traditional dish.
This is very regional. A sour roast in translation. And the trick of this dish, or the particularity of the dish, is that it requires a long time of marination. It usually uses the harder cuts, the more fibrous cuts of meat, and through this sweet and sour marination, it breaks them down, it makes them tender, and it's a question of braising. So we're cooking the joint in liquid, aromatics liquid, until it's tender soft, and then we'll be offering it today with some braised red cabbage, a little apple puree, and a potato dumpling, which is also very, very regional.
Akin to a German pot roast, Sauerbraten's secret sauce is in the long marinating time, from 3 to 10 days. Its history is thought by some to date back to Julius Caesar, and by others to Charlemagne, as a way to use leftover roasted meats.
So a nice Pinot Noir, regional Pinot Noir as well. Later you'll be speaking with the sommelier, which does his wine pairing according to our menus. As you can notice, you've got the aromatics now filtering through. You've got your vinegar, you've got the red wine, yeah. But definitely, and also an essential element, the acidity to conserve, to marinate, and to break down the fibre of the meat, which is the most important thing, and the reason for this preparation.
Looks like a meaty herbal sangria.
I think we should get a couple of glasses to taste, right? Lots of flavour. We brought the marination back out. That's it. Nice little facial there for you.
Do you want to come make Thanksgiving for me? The finished dish looks and smells amazing. And up in the dining room, I get to taste it. That is truly delicious. The meat is just tender enough, the sauce is salty yet sweet. It's really good. And I can't wait to see what's on the menu next.